Hey, this is Ben Bailey with Innovative Auto Detailing, and I'm here with my new package. We got this little package from IGL Coatings because Innovative Auto Detailing is now an IGL Coatings installer. Great. Awesome. And we also got the Little Mermaid, the greatest box ever. So now, anyway, let's go ahead and get to opening the box. And get my high-end knife, aka house key. Oops. No, we didn't break nothing. Even with this fancy coffee table, it was given to me for free. Ooh. Ooh. Some IGL pamphlets for the IGL coatings. Ooh. IGL quartz, 50 milliliter. Nice. And I love the packaging this comes with. Like, this is way fancier than anything else I've received coating wise. And then here's my hat. IGL Coatings. Alright. Yeah, this is a snapback and it has to be adjusted. Oh man, my head hadn't been small, so in like 5 years. Here we go. That's a better fit right there. Alright, so let's go ahead and open this pretty little box. Ooh. Okay, they gotta make things hard. Ooh. Let's see here. Comes with the technical data sheet. Comes with some application pads. Coating cards. Put this where they're not going to get dirty. That's the last thing we need is crap to get dirty. Spray bottle or spray heads. IGL Coatings stickers that says I am coated. Then we have the quartz itself. And then we have the pre-coat that goes on before. And then we have the Premier Eco Coat. And then we also have the 2 straws for the nozzles. And then the applicator pad. And you pretty much take one of these and put over the applicator pad. I grabbed like 2, but you take one. Oh, and these are nice. I have the IGL Coatings insignia on there. But you wrap it around the pad, and you go from there. So, who wants to be coated first? But that about wraps it up for the unboxing of this. Seriously, we're in February. Innovative Auto Detailing will be offering this. As for now, I will be pretty much talking to Joel about walking me through ceramic coating my own car, which is a Grabber Blue 2013 Boss 302, number 1312. And I'm going to do a 2-step correction on it, and then just go ahead and do this coating. This is quartz, and I'll pretty much be offering Quartz Plus, and that comes with the poly base layer, and then also you put quartz on top, and then you always finish off with premiere. So we'll see how things go. I'm going to get everything rolling for Innovative Auto Detailing, and thank you guys for watching, and stay clear. No, I don't even know what to say right now. Bye.